isang gilas ni Mr. Bill gamit ang kanyang tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna, okay? Now guys, at the count of 3, you need to shout fly. Okay, what's the word? Fly. Alright, let's practice first. The count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and wow, kuya. Mukhang more energy pa daw. One more time, more energy. Count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and ayun, mukhang ready na ang ating mga bisita na kuya. Ready ba ang ating kalaw? Now folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and oh, what a perfect catch, Mr. Beal. Now guys, if you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because you're actually in mating ritual. So nanliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa. Mas maraming insekto ang na-catch ni lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl na kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the world, they will stay with them forever. Sana all sa kakaganap ng forever.
May makaingo ka dito.
Alam na natin guys, nandito na lang ating kalaw. Pwede din po si Kuya Junior. Hindi joke na. Kapag na magpapakita ng gilas ulit sila. Now folks, prepare your cameras. Mag-ilis na to. Count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and and that is Mr. Bill, our Philippine great hornbill, or also known as the kalaw. The alarm clock of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin sila. And thank you so much. And syempre, ang pogi trainer na si Kuya Jimon. Alright. Now guys, fun fact pala about the hornbills. Unlike most birds who walk from base to base, hornbills actually hop from base to base or tumatalon sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Okay, moving on tayo to our next animal ambassador, pure black po ito. Please help me welcome George, our black cockatoo. And there you go, that is George, our black cockatoo, or also known as the Goliath cockatoo. And they can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. Now guys, unfortunately, 100,000 of their home is being destroyed. So ano nga ba ang tirahan ng ating black cockatoo? They live in a tropical rainforest po. Now this afternoon, George will show us how to restore his home by helping us how to plant a tree. And of course, before planting, meron tayo dito 2 empty cans, and of course, 2 branches that will serve as a seedling. Alright, now, George, are you ready? Kuya, at the count of 3, napag na natin ang branches. 1, 2, 3, and go! Alright, George, lali lalagay.
Nag-plant siya tree.
Very good! How about the other one, boy? Saan nilalagay, George? Sa empty na can. And there you go. Palakpakan po natin si George. Thank you so much, George. Now guys, ito fun fact. Black cockatoos use twigs and small branches to build their nest, unlike other cockatoos that use leaves. Alright, this afternoon, Jongo will show us their nesting behavior by bringing a paper money. Alright, now guys, at this point, I need 1 volunteer. Who wants to volunteer? Dala lang kayo guys na paper bill. Any paper bill. 20, 50, 100. Sino man gusto mag-volunteer? Oh, come here, Magali. Alright. Okay. Dala lang kayo ng paper bill po. Any paper bill. Okay. Alright, ma'am, dito tayo. And sorry kuya. Agaw lang po. Ha, later na lang. Okay. Alright. Ma'am, what you're gonna do? Follow lang po sa instructions ni Kuya Michael. Ma'am, kung ano mangyari, ma'am, huwag natin gilalagyan si George, ma'am, ha? Okay. Alright. And ma'am, yung kamay natin, lagay natin sa likod. Okay, now George, ma'am, are you ready, Kuya Michael? Now George, get the paper money. Alright. That one, George. Very good.